but any question so far on um, the future obligations? To kind of summarize, we had a lot of questions answered before, but to summarize it, we did all the examples. We did the future obligation where object is masculine singular, yeah, right? Such as like मुझे जाना पड़ेगा, मुझे आना पड़ेगा, मुझे इंतजार करना पड़ेगा, मुझे फोन करना पड़ेगा, मुझे बैठना पड़ेगा, मुझे रुकना पड़ेगा, मुझे समझाना पड़ेगा. All of them are using padega because the object is considered masculine singular. So regardless of I'm saying it or Christine ji saying it, it's all padega. Then we shifted to feminine singular, where object is feminine singular. And we did examples like मुझे रिपोर्ट लिखनी पड़ेगी, मुझे दवा लेनी पड़ेगी, मुझे मंजूरी लेनी पड़ेगी, मुझे खरीदारी करनी पड़ेगी, मुझे सफाई करनी पड़ेगी, मुझे ट्रेन पकड़नी पड़ेगी और ट्रेन लेनी पड़ेगी. All of them, the object that you have is considered feminine singular. That's why the infinitive form of the verb is also ending with ni, leni, karni, or such like that. And then ending is padegi. Then we shifted to the masculine and feminine plural, right? And then we discussed form bharne padenge, okay? Um, um, सामान उठाना, okay, so सामान उठाने पड़ेंगे. Similarly, किताबें लिखनी पड़ेंगी और टिकटें लेनी पड़ेंगी, right? और emails लिखनी पड़ेंगी, right? So all of those, if you notice it, the objects is either feminine plural or masculine plural, right? So just to kind of summarize the whole thing, it's an obligation that you're trying to convey, where you have external forces that you have to do it because other things have happened on which you have lesser control over. And whenever you have to do that, you take the infinitive form of the verb and you put different kind of, like, whether it is chahna versus hona versus padna. How you decide that, it's really like, you know, whether you have control over it or not, right? Uh, and one more thing, obligations are not something that you are doing, is happening to you, almost like a sticker that is attached to you, right? And that's why its subject is followed by co all the time, right? So that's a quick summary of the last uh 30 35 minutes. Okay. um I'm not going to rush the habitual one, but I'm going to write down all the examples that I have on Discord chat, as well as in WhatsApp, so you can go over it, and that way at least you can independently review it as well.